party DMK has rung in a new calendar citing ancient Tamil pride. According to that, January 14th, the first day of the Tamil month, will be observed as the New Year. This announcement is not official, but the Chief Minister, M.K. Stalin, has extended Tamil New Year wishes to his cadre. He's also requested Kerala Chief Minister to declare January 14th as a holiday owing to the large Tamil communities in 6 Kerala districts. Now, this is not the first time that there has been a row over this issue. In 2008, remember, the Chief Minister Karunanidhi had announced January 14th as the new year, which in fact, was changed to January 14th by J. Jayalalitha in 2011. My colleague Mugilan now joins me on the broadcast. Mugilan, the controversy of the Tamil New Year is back in the picture yet again.
Definitely, yes, and this comes after the Chief Minister writing a letter to his cadres and tweeting and wishing them New Year, Tamil New Year on January 14th. But definitely this has not gone well with the political party, especially the ADMK and BJP. ADMK have said that Tamil New Year should be celebrated on April 14th. And when commenting about it, BJP MP L. Murugan he also have stated that everyone knows when Tamil New Year is, and it is on April 14th. So definitely, yes, in 2008 we have seen then Chief Minister M. Karunanidhi announcing that January 14th will be celebrated as Tamil New Year. But after Jayalalitha coming back to the power, we have seen she terming April 14th will be celebrated as Tamil New Year, and that is what is being followed now. But even though, as you rightly point out, it has not been made official, yesterday we have seen the Chief Minister tweeting and writing a letter to his cadres and wishing them Tamil New Year on January 14th. But there was another statement has been issued by the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister, New Year and Pongal wish, and he has not mentioned anything about Tamil New Year in the letter he has written to the public today.
All right, Mugilan, thank you so much for joining us with all those details. I'm also now joined on the broadcast by Sumant Raman, political analyst. Mr. Raman, thank you so much for joining me on Mirror Now. Like we've been mentioning, this controversy refuses to die down. It once again reared its head in 2008, then in 2011. Now again, M.K. Stalin wanting to declare 2004, in fact, the 14th of January as the new year officially, and citing Tamil pride as the reason.
No, I think this year he has been very, wise in sidestepping the issue. Because yesterday, when the message was put out, it was to his party cadre, and it was from the at MK Stalin Twitter handle. Today, the official message from the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, which came from the CMO Tamil Nadu Twitter handle, had no reference at all to Tamil New Year being Pongal Day and so on. So I think that as far as the cadre is concerned, they are perfectly at liberty to celebrate any day of their choice. I mean, after all, their ideology may want them to celebrate 14th of January, which is perfectly all right. But I think that a very wise decision by the Chief Minister not to provoke an issue on this matter by again getting into a controversy. And he has wisely today, in the note which came from the official Chief Minister's handle, the detailed note has no reference at all to the New Year.
Mm-hmm. Also, Mr. Raman, the fact that he's also urging Pinarayi Vijayan to go ahead and support him in the decision, also getting him to announce holiday in 6 districts, distributing Pongal packages, that is also happening.
Well, that is something which is absolutely acceptable because, look, there are a large number of Tamilians who live in some of the border districts of Kerala, areas like Palakkad and so on. So, what he has asked them is to requested the Kerala Chief Minister is to declare a local holiday for those districts. It often happens that when you have a large population from a neighboring state, sometimes festivals, there are local district holidays declared. So that is what he has asked, and I think there is absolutely nothing wrong with that, and that is not linked to this New Year controversy in any manner whatsoever, because Pongal is a very, very significant day for Tamilians worldwide.
Right. Absolutely. Thank you so much, Sumant Raman, for joining me on the broadcast.